everyone, how are you? So for now, we will be cooking or preparing another set of food. So ngayon, meron tayong breaded pork chop. This is really going to be real quick. So let's prepare the egg, add some salt and pepper, as well as the breadcrumbs, season it with salt and pepper. Now, on a separate bowl, let's prepare the rub. Okay, so put some salt, pepper, and other seasonings that you prefer. And I also use this ginisa mix. Stir it a bit and it's ready. Okay, next step. Yan, makikita nyo naman. I also let Isla help me in doing some stuff here in the kitchen. Okay. Back to the rubbing. Yan, rub na natin sa ating pork. It's your choice kung anong part ng pork ang gusto ninyo. So, I just chose this one because this is only the part na available sa aming fridge. Yan. So, both sides. Rub it with love. Kasi, sabi nga nila, mas masarap ang pagluluto kapag hinaluan mo ng pagmamahal. While I set that one aside, I am now going to cook some french fries. Yan. Kasama rin yan ng ating lunch for today. So, I just use this one yung nabibili sa market or sa grocery. Pero kung gusto nyo din naman na i-partner sa rice or pasta itong meal na to, why not? Okay? So, anything basta masaya tayo. And now, the pork is ready for cooking. So, just soak it in the eggs, and then there's sa ating breadcrumbs. Pwede nyo naman munang lagyan ng flour and then i-dip nyo sa egg and then i-dip sa my breadcrumbs. So, of course, heat the pan, heat the oil. Yan. Ito yung ginamit ko kanina nung nag-fry ako ng french fries. Alright. Okay. So, while doing this one, I decided also to make a soup. So, ito lang ang ginamit ko. Itong Knorr cream of mushroom na soup. This is the soup na favorite ni Islaw. Just follow the instructions kung ano yung nakalagay sa packaging and then that's it. Okay, so yan. Pero ako ay usually do na bawasan ng konti lang yung water kasi gusto ko yung mushroomy flavor niya mas malasa. Kaya yun. Alright? So, yan. Just put it on the stove and it's ready to go. Just cover it and just wait for it to boil. Meanwhile, so multitasking tayo dito, no? Check na natin yung pork and then flip it over na if one side is already ready. Okay? So, yan. So, checking lang the mushroom soup. Tignan lang natin para yung powder niya is hindi mag-set. Yan. Okay. I also put some mushrooms para masarap siya. Tsaka may chunks ka talagang makakain. So, ayan. I think the pork is ready. Alright. So, I'm thinking to make a sauce. Yung dip mismo ng ating pork chop para hindi ketchup lang siya or soy. So, this one, I added soy sauce, and then Worcestershire sauce, and kung ano man yung available na sauce ninyo na pag minix ninyo is bagay naman. Yung hindi contrasting masyado and to the point na hindi nyo na siya makain. Alright? So, yan. I think this is already ready. The consistency is thick now. And, ayan, yan yung ating pork. Right? Let's slice it. And it's ready to be plated. After that, yan. Okay, so may pa-plate tayo dito ng very, very light. Diba? Nakakayaman, nakakasosyal lang siya ng very, very light. Okay, so this is going to be a platter. It's a meal good for 3. So, okay na to sa aming 3. Yan, so that's the soup. Alright, sprinkle with a little bit of oregano. And it's ready. Yeah. So, thank you very much for watching and I hope you try this also at your home. I know it's a basic meal, but it's very, very good. Thank you again. Bye!